Carl Jung, psychoanalyst. Our assumptions are the seeds of reality, Jung might posit. Planted in the fertile soil of feeling, they blossom into the experiences we create. Assume a world where limitations are an illusion, where the past and future hold no dominion over your present. This isn't some fantastical dream. It's the potential unlocked by what a teacher once called fourth-dimensional thinking. This concept, delving beyond the confines of our everyday experience, offers a transformative perspective on reality and the power to shape your own destiny. Our world, as we perceive it, is a three-dimensional construct. We experience length, width, and depth, anchored to a linear timeline of past, present, and future. But what if this is just one layer of a much vaster reality? The teacher proposed a fourth dimension, a realm where time is not a rigid ruler, but a malleable canvas. In this dimension, the past and future aren't fixed points, but potentialities waiting to be shaped by our thoughts and beliefs. Here lies the crux of fourth-dimensional thinking: assumption. In our three-dimensional world, we react to external circumstances, but the teacher proposed the opposite. Our assumptions, our deepest beliefs about ourselves and the world, create the reality we experience. By consciously assuming a desired state, wealth, success, happiness, we tap into the power of the fourth dimension and begin to mold our reality to match our desires. Simply assuming a state isn't enough. The teacher emphasized the importance of feeling. Think of yourself already having what you desire. Immerse yourself in the emotions of success, the joy of fulfillment. This feeling becomes the bridge between your present reality and the potential waiting in the fourth dimension. When you feel it, you embody it, and the universe conspires to bring it into your experience. Visualization, a common technique for manifesting desires, can be helpful, but the teacher offered a deeper approach. He challenged the idea of visualization as simply creating mental pictures. Instead, he advocated for a mental feeling of beingness. Step into the reality you desire, not just see it. Feel the clothes you want to wear, the satisfaction of a job well done, the warmth of a loving relationship. This embodied feeling is the spark that ignites creation. A crucial concept in fourth-dimensional thinking is living in the end. This doesn't mean ignoring your present circumstances, but rather shifting your perspective. Think of yourself already having achieved your goal. Act as if it's true. Make choices that align with your desired reality. This consistent living in the end keeps your focus on the potential waiting to be realized and directs your energy towards its manifestation. The process of manifesting your desires, the teacher pointed out, takes time. Planting a seed doesn't instantly produce a fruit. You must nurture it, wait patiently for it to grow. Similarly, when you plant a seed of desire through your assumptions and feelings, it takes time to manifest in your physical reality. Trust the process, nurture your assumptions, and eventually the harvest will arrive. Obstacles and challenges are inevitable, but the teacher reframed them as stepping stones on your path. They might seem like setbacks, but within them lie valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Maintain your focus on your desired state, and use the challenges to refine your assumptions and strengthen your belief. Challenges become opportunities to solidify your faith in the power of your mind. The teacher emphasized that we are all dreamers, weaving the fabric of our reality with our thoughts and beliefs. Fourth-dimensional thinking is not about acquiring a special power, but about awakening the dreamer within. By consciously choosing your assumptions and cultivating the feeling of your desired state, you reclaim your authorship of your life story. You become the conscious creator, shaping your experience and stepping into the reality you envision. The impact of your fourth-dimensional thinking extends beyond your personal reality. As you transform your own world, you inspire others to do the same. By sharing your story and radiating the joy of your manifested desires, you become a beacon of hope, encouraging others. The teacher challenged the very notion of a separate reality existing out there. He proposed a radical idea. The perceiver and the perceived are not distinct entities. We are not passively observing the world. We are actively shaping it through our thoughts and beliefs. The fourth dimension, in this sense, is not a separate realm, but an extension of our own consciousness, a realm where our assumptions become the building blocks of reality. The concept of revision becomes crucial. If our assumptions create our reality, then we have the power to revise any unwanted aspects of our experience. Don't like a past event? Rethink of it in the fourth dimension. Rewrite the script with a more empowering narrative. This revision doesn't erase the past from some cosmic record, but rather shifts your internal perception of it, freeing you from its hold on your present. Fourth dimensional thinking doesn't require a desperate grasping for your desires. The teacher emphasized detachment. Once you've planted the seed of assumption and nurtured it with feeling, trust the process. Let go of the need to control the exact how of manifestation. The universe, operating in its own mysterious way, will orchestrate the events needed to bring your desires to fruition. Detachment allows you to remain centered and positive, attracting your goals with a relaxed confidence. History, as we learn it, is often a record of limitations. The teacher encouraged his audience to create a revisionary history. Think of the achievements of individuals like yourself in the past, people who dared to dream beyond limitations and manifested their desires. By weaving these stories of success into your mental landscape, you create a foundation of possibility, a blueprint for your own achievements. The teacher didn't simply preach, he embodied the principles he taught. He lived his life in the end, radiating the joy and fulfillment of his own manifested desires. This living example became a powerful testament to the power of fourth dimensional thinking. By witnessing his success, his audience gained a deeper conviction in their own ability to transform their lives. Fourth dimensional thinking is not just about acquiring material possessions. It's about aligning your desires with a deeper sense of purpose. What impact do you want to have on the world? What legacy do you want to leave behind? By integrating these questions into your assumptions, you imbue your desires with meaning, creating a life that resonates not just with personal fulfillment, but with a sense of contributing to a greater good. The journey of fourth dimensional thinking is not a linear progression. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and challenges, but the teacher encouraged his audience to see these not as failures, but as opportunities for refinement. Revisit your assumptions, strengthen your beliefs, and stay focused on your desired state. The tapestry of your reality is constantly being woven, and with each revision, each shift in perspective, you become a more skilled weaver, shaping your life into a masterpiece of your own design. This approach to reality creation is not a magic bullet. It requires dedication, a shift in perspective, and a willingness to experiment. But by taking the power of your own mind and the principles of fourth dimensional thinking, you become the architect of your own destiny, weaving a life of fulfillment, purpose, and joy. The teacher's message wasn't about escaping reality. It was about actively shaping it. We are not passive observers, but participants in a grand cosmic play. Through the alchemy of our minds, we transform assumptions into experiences. This requires a fundamental shift in perspective. The world isn't happening to us. We are happening to the world. Think of a sculptor facing a block of raw marble. They don't lament the limitations of the stone. They envision the masterpiece waiting to be revealed. Similarly, when faced with an unwanted aspect of your reality, revision becomes your chisel. Rethink of the past, not to erase it, but to alter its emotional charge. Strip away any negative associations and rewrite the narrative with a more empowering lens. This revision becomes the foundation upon which you build a new reality. Fourth dimensional thinking isn't a desperate grasping for control. Plant the seed of desire with a clear assumption and nurture it with the fertile soil of feeling. Then, trust the play to unfold. The universe, a vast and intricate stage, has its own ingenious ways of orchestrating your desires. Detachment allows you to surrender the how and focus on the what, radiating a confident expectation of your manifestation. Traditional history often paints a picture of limitations. The teacher challenged his audience to create a revisionary history. Seek out stories of those who dared to dream beyond limitations, individuals who defied societal expectations and manifested their desires. By weaving these narratives into your mental landscape, you create a canvas of possibility, a blueprint that whispers, "This is achievable." We are not isolated entities. We are notes in a grand symphony of consciousness. Surround yourself with individuals who resonate with your vision, those whose assumptions complement and amplify your own. Engage in conversations that reinforce your desired state, creating a collective belief in its attainability. This synergy accelerates the manifestation process, becoming a powerful force that shapes the symphony of reality. The teacher's life served as a living testament to his teachings. He didn't simply preach, he embodied the power of fourth dimensional thinking. His reality, a reflection of his unwavering assumptions, became a beacon for his audience. Witnessing his transformation fueled their belief in their own ability to rewrite their narratives. Fourth dimensional thinking transcends the pursuit of mere possessions. Your desires become instruments for a grander purpose. What impact do you want to leave on the world? What symphony of change do you wish to conduct? By aligning your desires with a deeper sense of meaning, you imbue your life with purpose, leaving a legacy that resonates far beyond your individual experience. This journey isn't a linear path. There will be moments of discord, unexpected notes in the symphony. These challenges aren't failures, but opportunities for refinement. Revisit your assumptions, strengthen your beliefs, and remain focused on your desired state. The tapestry of your reality is an ongoing creation, and with each revision, each shift in perspective, you become a master weaver, shaping your life into an expression of your truest self. The power to create lies within you, waiting to be unleashed through the alchemy of the fourth dimension.